Hello. Accountability is a pet topic for a lot of people, for me too. There's one thing we often forget. When things don't go according to plan at work, when there are errors, mistakes, failures, nobody can stop you from making excuses. And if they try, you can always become the victim of an ununderstanding context. Don't get me wrong, you do not have a choice if you get punished or not. But you do have a choice if you accept accountability or not. That is your choice and nobody can take it from you. The great news is that most people I work with actually like accepting accountability. Now, here are 3 things for you to learn as you explore how accountability plays out in your workplace. Number 1, accountability has a younger sibling, responsibility. Responsibility asks, did you do what you said you would do? Accountability is the much bigger commitment because it asks, did you get the outcome that we needed or wanted? It's the bigger commitment because it doesn't depend only on your actions, but includes the actions of others. As we become more senior, the focus typically shifts from responsibility to accountability. Number 2, separate your reasons from your excuses. When it comes to things not working out the way we want to, it's important to always have reasons why things worked out or didn't work out. Just don't let them become your excuses. That line is really important. Staying on the right side of it means to have looked into it and to commit to learning from it. On the other side of the line is taking blame, guilt and shame. Very important to learn about the difference between reasons and excuses in your particular context and in your own story of how you deal with missuccess. And number 3, when you accept accountability, you give up psychological distance to your work, to the outcome of your work. So the real question is it safe for you to do that or not? In an environment that's shaming and blaming and punishing, retreating to excuses, to not sort of giving up psychological distance is a good strategy. It's smart in this environment not to give up the distance. More interesting are situations where the environments are actually safe, but we just don't like the discomfort that inherently comes from taking responsibility. And nobody can stop you from saying, well, I don't feel safe, because this is a choice you make and a very personal one. So a very important line is to work out what is just inherent discomfort of taking accountability and what is a lack of safety that you experience is really threatening.